Just make sure everything's coated and covered. Drop some stuff behind you. It really helps. Hey guys, I'm Megan Mitchell and I'm here in the Thrive Market Test Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make keto air fried veggie chips. So I am using keto approved veggies. So I'm using kale, I'm using eggplant, and I'm using zucchini. And these chips are featuring 3 different spices from Primal Palate. I'm using their barbecue rub, I'm also using their garlic and herb, and their new bay seasoning. I'm gonna put them on some stuff and it's gonna be out of sight. Killer keto veggie chips. Let's get started. All right, I'm gonna start with my zucchini. If you don't have a mandolin, you can thinly slice it by hand, but I think it's a great tool to have. This is a Mamo Jamo. I have a small Japanese one that I love. Cut off the end. So just be careful. This blade is super sharp, and then just chip away. Just go like this. All right, once it gets to the end, don't be a hero. Okay, just throw it away. You don't want to slice off a nail or a finger, so just be super careful. So like, this is good. I actually cut this up for my dog Mama because she loves zucchini. Okie dokie. Put these in a bowl, my little chippies. So the thing about these air fried chips, you don't need too much oil. For the zucchini chips, I just spray the tray. For the kale, I think it gets 1 tablespoon of oil for all of this kale. So it's a little healthier, it's a little lighter, because it's air fried. But also, these have to be kind of eaten day of. They don't hold too well, so make them. Just go to Keto Town and just watch your stories, watch your Mari Pove, you know what I mean? Keto chip it up. So 1 down. Let's go to the eggplant. I'm using baby Japanese eggplants. I felt like the Italian eggplant, you know, that's a little bigger. I don't know, those are some big chips. Same thing as before, kind of get it started and let's go. All right, so the last of my eggplant. Okie dokie, I'm done with my mandolin. Into a bowl. And now onto our kale. Let me make some room so you can see what I'm doing. So I have dino kale, but you could use curly kale if you want. I want to remove this inner stem, the rib, which can be kind of fibrous. Just grip it and rip it. Let's do that again. It's so satisfying to me. And then I'm going to cut these into like 3-inch pieces. Or you can tear them if you want. Woo! Into a bowl. Okie doke. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. And I'm using Primal Palate's New Bay. My boo. About a teaspoon. And this does not need any extra salt or anything. Toss. Make sure everything's coated and covered. That one's done. For the eggplant, I'm going to use their garlic and herb, about a teaspoon as well. Now I don't need to add any oil to this one because I'm going to spray the actual tray. Same with the zucchini. Last but not least, my zucchini. And this happens to be one of my favorite spices that they have, and it's their barbecue rub, which would seem a little weird. You're like, barbecue rub on zucchini? It's spicy, and it's just really good. I like this one. I'm going to add a little pepper, because why not? Toss this together. And then I'm going to bring in my air fryer and show you how to fry these up. How to air fry these up. Air fryer in. The one I'm using is by Cuisinart. There are different ones. There are like basket ones. So my timing and my temperatures were specific to this model. So what I would say is just kind of play around with it. Your timing might be a little different if you have thicker cut zucchini or thinner cut. So keep 2 eyes on it when it goes in. Spray your basket. The first time I did it, I did not spray my basket and they stuck. And it was like, yeah. I just like flipped the table. So spray your basket and then evenly line these up. You don't want to pile them on top of each other. You just kind of want them in a row. This takes a little bit of time, but guess what? When you're noshing on those keto chips, it's all gonna be worth it. It is gonna be worth it. You will need to do this in maybe 2 or 3 batches. And like I said, these don't hold forever, so air fry, snack away. Okay, for my zucchini, I want it at 300 degrees Fahrenheit air fry. I want to fry these for 5 minutes, flip them, and then fry them for 4 to 5 minutes more, but keep an eye on them. And you know what's cool? They like to fly around. They go crazy in there. It's gonna fly around in here, which is fine. When you pull out the tray, just, relay them down. All right, these have fried for 5 minutes. Carefully remove them. You can see some of them flew around. Totally fine. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in and flip all of these. All right, so flip them all over and fry them for 4 to 4.5 to 5 minutes more. Keep an eye on them. Around 4 minutes, check them. If they're starting to get golden brown, pull them out. Zucchini chips are done. For the eggplant chips, 300 degrees as well for about 4 to 5 minutes, and then 4 to 5 minutes more. The kale chips, though, knock it down to 250 degrees, and I think I only cooked them for about 4 to 5 minutes. These went really quick, super, super fast, but look how crispy they are. Super crispy. It's just a great alternative to a chip if you're craving chips, but you happen to be keto. It's also a great way to use Primal Palette spices. I like that they already have the spices ready to go. And I don't have to buy a bunch of spices and mix it up. Okay, let me try one of these. You hear that crunch? Those are so good. They're so light. And also you can get all 3 of these recipes linked below, as well as the products I used at thrivemarket.com/prepschool. Let me know if you make these. What's your favorite keto chip? Like, what vegetable would you guys cook that I didn't? I want to know. Do you have an air fryer? Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy keto air frying. If you don't have a mandolin, you can thinly slice it by hand, but I missed the garbage can. I felt like making a mess real quick.